Hello, good morning, my dear student. This is Surya Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel, Chemistry Wala Anand sir. Today, welcome in my channel. This is the class of chemistry. This is the class of chemistry of class 9. Of class 9. So, my dear student, let's understand the chapter number 3, atoms and molecule. Today, we are going to discuss the assumptions or postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. According to Dalton's atomic theory, all matter, whether an element or a compound or a mixture, is composed of small particles. The main assumptions of Dalton's atomic theory are as follows. First, the all matter is made up of very small particles called atoms, which cannot be divided further. Second, atoms cannot be created or destroyed by any chemical process. That is, atoms are indestructible. Third, all the atoms of given elements are the same, that is identical in size, mass, chemical properties, etc. Fourth, atoms of different elements have different sizes, masses and chemical properties. So the fifth is the atoms of two or more elements joined together during chemical combination to form compound atom. Seventh, during chemical combination, atoms of different elements combine in simple numerical ratios, as for example 1:1, 1:2 and 2:3. This is the simple ratio. So my dear student, 7 number atoms of the same elements can combine with more than one ratio to produce more than one compound. For example, carbon and oxygen combine to give a carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. In carbon monoxide, CO, one atom of carbon combine with one atom of oxygen, while in carbon dioxide, one atom of carbon combine with two atoms of oxygen. Thus the ratio of carbon C and oxygen O in carbon monoxide CO is 1:2, while the carbon dioxide CO is 1:2. So my dear student, this is all about the assumption of postulates, so it is quite clear about the chapter number 3, atoms and molecule, assumption of postulates of Dalton atomic theory. As you all know, this is an introduction video. So video of sorts. So my dear student, let us understand the chemistry in a very simple way. Give more views, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you all of you. Take care.